This is how I looked before. Now I'm much happier.
Tap here for your language. Hi everyone, I'm Imi. Let's do vegan yoga to get rid of your fat on your low waist called muffin top.
I have so many fat-burning workouts for beginners in this channel.
Please subscribe this channel if you haven't. Here we go!
Check your stomach condition. How is the stiffness? Is it cold? Any part feel pain when pinching? I recommend you to measure and leave a photo.
Put your hands like this and rotate.
Welcome and welcome back. Thank you for joining today. I am so glad that you are sharing energy with me.
And now do the other way around.
You can do vegan yoga every day, morning, daytime, or evening, anytime you want. Never force yourself too hard. Do vegan yoga at your own pace.
Now relax your shoulders and do like this. Inhale up and exhale down.
Vegan yoga taught by Imi always start with breathing exercise. You know why? It is because conditioning the lungs can promote blood flow throughout the body. Don't stop while ads are on.
Sit comfortably like this or like this.
You can use cushions if you need.
Using fingers like this and pinch your stomach.
You know why your stomach gets more and more fat year by year? It is because your muscles around your stomach get stiffer and stiffer year by year. Then your muscles around the stomach does not get to move sufficiently. As a result, no matter how much training you do, it's difficult to get the results you want. So I share with you this magic massage to release the stiffness. You will be ready to burn fat.
Now pinch your lower back.
I tell you the secret to getting rid of your fat fast. It is to loosen the opposite side of muscles. This is important, so I whisper. Then you can burn fat many times more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
Legs like this and hands like this.
Keep your back straight and feel the stretch.
now hands like this and up, down, up, down.
Remember to keep your back straight. Feel the burn in your upper stomach. Burn, baby, burn.
Now straighten your legs and do like this.
Don't stop while ads are on.
Lie down like this. Elbow knee, elbow knee.
Touch, 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 touch. If you feel it's hard, then do it slowly on your pace. Touch, 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 touch.
Rest. Breathe deeply.
Rest a moment.
Lie down like this and legs up and down.
If you feel it's hard, then do it slowly on your pace. Up, down, up, down, up, down.
Rest. Breathe deeply.
Rest a moment. Don't stop while ads are on.
One leg up and down.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Feel the burn? Down. Burn, baby, burn. Down.
Now the other side.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
Now alternately.
Up, down, 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 up.
Rest. Breathe deeply.
Rest a moment.
Raise your legs. Touch your toe. Touch your toe.
Touch, 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 touch. If you feel it's hard, then do it slowly on your pace. Touch, 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 touch. Never let anyone tell you your body is flabby. No matter whatever age you are, your muscles can grow. If you love your body will love you back. Let's be in love with your body.
Rest. Breathe deeply.
Rest a moment. Don't stop while ads are on.
Put your hands like this and shake your stomach like this.
This is another magic. You can get rid of your fat by shaking. Massage with love and care. So you can activate your magic power in your hands. Please give me your power by hitting the subscribe button. Now slowly stand up. Now we'll train to tighten up your whole body more. By tightening up female core muscles, squeeze your pelvic floor upward. Imagine to pull it up until your upper stomach. Fists in front of your chin. There you go. Punch! 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 Remember to keep your belly tightened. Punch! 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 Ducking! 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 Now quickly, punch as fast as you can. Keep it up as fast as you can. I'm proud of you.
Sit comfortably like this. Hold your foot with your arm like this and stretch.
I'm so glad that you chose to embrace yourself with love. You are amazing. Your one step today is a great investment to your future beauty. Let's grow our beauty more together with me again.
Now do the other side. Let's check again.
Look at you! So tightened up! Congratulations! Let's foster the power of your body and mind with me every day. Now we massage. Do this one to thoroughly discharge waste. Listen to me until you finish this massage. Share your challenge of vegan yoga. Please send your before-after photos by email to Imi.
I I am waiting so badly for your photos and videos to share in my show that I can give you more concrete advice. Your share contributes to help uplifting others all over the world. Please share your concerns and results and contribute to the world. I can help you, your transformation. You can always count on me. If you are over 40, you're very welcome. If you are under 40, you're more than welcome. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like button. It really encourages me. My goal is to make the world's biggest over 40 health and beauty channel with you. Please give me your power by hitting the subscribe button. Now I recommend these videos for you. See you at next video.